Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of this trip back home to Los Angeles. As you guys know, I just came to Denver on a 737 MAX 8 from Punta Cana. And now I am in Terminal A, or actually Concourse A. And I have to take this train over to Concourse B because that is where my connection is departing out of. And this train is the only way to get there. Anyway, it's a really short train ride, so I will see you once I get off at that station. Okay guys, so I just arrived into the station for Concourse B. Now we're going to be following the signs to all the B gates. In other words, let's take this escalator up to the main terminal. And yes, of course, once we're in the main terminal, we got to go to the United Club, obviously, since I got my membership. And anyway, in the B concourse at the Denver airport, there are actually 3 United Clubs here. And they are located next to gates B32, B44, and B60. And in the A concourse, you have the United Club that I went to on my way to Punta Cana near gate A25. But anyway, we're going to be walking toward the one near gate B32 because my flight is departing out of gate B31. So let's go ahead and scan my boarding pass so I can enter this United Club. Just like the club in Concourse A, this one is very modern and has a full buffet as well as lots of options for seating and of course views of the ramp. Just like the other one, it also does have 2 levels, so I'm going to be taking the escalator up to the top level, level 4, and looking at what the buffet has to offer. Looks like they got sandwiches, cookies, let's see, more cookies, salad, and of course all the condiments plus the utensils you need for the food. And let's see what they have on this side. Looks like they have pasta, rice. Ooh, that pasta looks pretty good. I might have to get some. And yeah, of course, you can't forget about the views overlooking the ramp here in Denver. So I hope you guys enjoyed the views outside as much as I did. It was definitely really cool seeing Iceland Air because I don't see them at LAX. So it's great that I finally caught an Iceland airplane on my phone. And anyway, I'm enjoying some of this pasta here in the lounge. Like I said from earlier, the pasta looks really good. And in fact, it does taste really good. So anyways, yeah, I cannot be staying here for that long because this is actually also a tight connection too. But thankfully, my gate is actually right outside this lounge. So hopefully next time I come to Denver, I have a little bit more time to spend in any of the United Clubs I mentioned earlier, whether I'm in the B concourse or in the A concourse. But anyway, here I am at my gate B31 for this flight to Los Angeles. And I forgot to mention at the start of this video, we are flying first class on United's Airbus A321neo. And this is also my first time flying on their Airbus A321neo. So I'm very excited to get on board and see what the new interior looks like. So anyways, this is the plane right here. Let's go ahead and step inside. Oh my goodness, look at the lighting in here. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm loving the interior of this airplane already. Here is my seat 4A. It is a window seat. And oh my goodness, this seat is so roomy, much roomier than the 737, of course, because the A321 is a much longer airplane. But yeah, look at this. I can stretch my legs all the way out. And you got buttons on the bottom of the screen here. And here is the tray table on my left side, as well as all the extra storage you have. And you got the TV remote, as well as a wireless phone charger, just like on the 737. And here is the safety card in the seat pocket for this A321neo, as well as United's Bistro on board menu and their ad telling you to join Mileage Plus and get one of their credit cards. In addition to all that legroom and storage, this seat also provides you with not 1, but 2 windows. And another cool thing is that the TV screen is also adjustable. I didn't even know that you could pull it out until I put my hand under there, but I think this is only a feature on the A321. I haven't tried it on the 737 yet, But anyway, at least you can adjust the screen position to your liking.
Plane and you do the same safety video or a different plane for all kids.
On at all times. So fasten your seatbelt, slide them out and into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Airbus A321 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate. In a water landing, slide rafts detach and carry
Your head and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Should you need it, you will find a life vest equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed.
This man of 3 years started in college. Young college. We're number 51 No, I think like 30 something in college. Guys, I'm 1% efficiency and 100% power through. I don't have power through anymore. We should stay there.
Wait, but that's good. Like the plane is going up.
No, but you have no room.
Plane down.
You have no room.
They should just make it like so it's like one of the Japanese cars.
There's no key. This is horrible.
Are you watching?
I'm watching the Aiden watching airplanes. Remind me of very bad. That's the sad part about it.
Wait, so what was the reason why you couldn't keep the plane? I think his mother did something weird.
Oh yeah, protection. No protection over it. Some smell. Smell.
Yeah. But yeah, it's like, I don't think most work ever hit for that. Yeah. Wait, why do you have scars?
they drive the white car and crash it. They get to
A hog. Somewhere like
So it's been about 12 minutes since we departed from Denver. Now we have an hour and 43 minutes left before we touch down in Los Angeles. This is actually one of the shortest flights I've ever taken in first class. And I'm saying this because not only is this flight under 2 hours, but it's also under United's minimum requirement of 900 miles. If you guys didn't know this, United says in order to have a full meal on a first class flight, it has to be at least 900 miles or longer. And this route is only 862 miles, just 38 miles short of that. So unlike my first class flights to Houston, Fort Lauderdale, and from Chicago back to LA, all of which are over 900 miles, you won't be seeing a full meal on this flight. Alrighty guys, so now the in-flight service is starting, and for my drink, I of course got a Diet Coke. I mean, any kind of soda like Diet Coke, ginger ale is always nice to have on a flight, especially when it's in glassware since you're in first class. And looks like for my snack today, I got a spinach feta croissant pocket, and oh my goodness, it is really hot too. So let's go ahead and open this bag up, so I guess we can let it cool down. It looks and smells good. And it also came with a side of Boulder Canyon sea salt potato chips. One of my favorite potato chip brands is on this flight. Nice. And by the way, yes, the spinach feta croissant pocket was really good. And just like that, I am now done with the meal, and we have 57 minutes left of the flight before we touch down in Los Angeles. Wow, that is really quick. Never mind, I take that back. This flight isn't gonna be so short anymore. So right now we're currently in a holding pattern above the desert because I don't know what's going on at LAX, but apparently we cannot land, and the captain said the holding pattern is gonna be an extra 25 to 30 minutes. But I guess it's nice, you know, you get some extra time to enjoy the Neo, but I'm sure other passengers just wanna go home. But anyway, I'll let you all know once we're out of this holding pattern. Okay guys, so the captain just came on again and said that we are now out of the holding pattern and we should be on the ground at LAX in about 15 minutes. So with that being said, that's great news. Please enjoy the descent into Los Angeles, and I will see you on the next trip that I take with United or whoever I fly with.
I wrote don't have time for that. By the time I'm done with the ads, it came on.
Oh my gosh, who's that?
Chris Columbus.
Christopher Columbus.
4 minutes till touchdown.
That's 8 minutes of credit.
We should watch My Beds and Betty's too. We haven't watched the first one. The whole entire thing is just like bro wants a job, so he goes to the guy and he gives him a job at Freddy's Pizzeria, and then he plays with animatronics and meets his probably future wife, cop girl, and then like the whole entire thing is like the robots want his sister, and then blah 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 blah. They try to kill his sister, like try to make her into an animatronic, like how they were. Oh yeah, and then the pedal ball. Like how else would I explain him, bro? Oh, I don't think you can, man.
I want to watch Frozen 2 then. Frozen 2 is 2 minutes.
You mean 103?
No, 2 minutes, because Frozen 2 is 2. That's this is girls for 2.
Alright, bro, I guess.
We'd like to be the first to welcome you to Los Angeles, where the local time is 9:11 p.m. We We hope you enjoy your time here in LA or wherever your travels take you. And if this is home, welcome home. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phone tablet. If you're sitting at next, please unplug the device and the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and make sure you have all your belongings and make sure everyone has an overhead bin. Don't keep the aircraft comfortable for our next customers. Please open your overhead air vents.
Windows down,
Close the windshields.
radio loud.
Once we arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved for baggage carousel 2. Again, baggage carousel 2.
Golden skies,
Pushback is really important to us, so some of you will receive survey after via email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us
didn't
today.
know how lucky
On
we
behalf of the
were.
entire team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for being with us.
One more
It's been our honor to serve you
sunset,
in the
one
past.
more drive. We thought
being part
these
of our journey
nights
to
would
the world flag.
last a lifetime. Take me
Once the
back
baggage
one
seatbelt
more
sign is turned off,
night.
please clear the door area and allow your
Underneath
flight
those city lights, take me back one more time. Everything will be alright. Every light, every spark, still shining in the dark. Take me back, ooh, one more night. One more photo, one more song. Somehow the years rolled on. Old cafe, corner booth, feels like yesterday, still feels like you. One more sunrise, one more ride. We never thought the years could fly. Take me back one more night, underneath those city lights. Take me back one more time. Everything will be alright. Every laugh, every spark, still shining in the dark. Take me back, ooh, one more night. Maybe someday we'll look back and wish we stayed just a little longer.
He was watching the tank out. But I can't do anything because it needs to be one. I don't know.